Hello my lovely students, I am your math teacher Ms. Sashi Yadav and today I will teach you chapter number 4, that is multiplication and division. You have already studied about it, but in this class I will tell you some detail or some more examples on it. So lovely students, firstly I will explain that how to do multiplication. So you have also solved one digit multiplication in your previous classes, but in this class I will tell you that how to multiply two digit number. For example, we have to multiply 365 into 23. Now multiply like this. Firstly, we start multiplication from very right hand side. So very right hand side digit is 3. So we will start from 3. It means 3 5 are 15. 15 5 carry here 1 and 3 6 are 18. 18 plus 1 19. 9 carry 1. Next 3 3s are 9 or plus 1 carry, that is 10. Now 3 multiplication has done. 3 digit multiplication is done. Now we will come on next digit, that is 2. Now we will multiply 2 in all these 3 digits. 2 5s are 10, 0. 2 6 are 12. 12 plus 1 13. 3 carry 1. And 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1 carry, that is 7. Now we will add all these 5 5. 9 plus 0 9. 0 plus 3 3. 7 plus 1 8. Okay, this is our multiplication. It is my one precautions for you that write all the digit in a linear manner so that there is no problem in adding. Now I'll tell you how to multiply 3 digits. How to multiply 3 digits? So like two digits, we will multiply the same as in 3 digits. So we will start from very right digit, that is 3. 3 multiplied by 0 0. 3 2s are 6. 3 9s are 27, carries 2. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 2 14. Now for second digit we will put 1 cross here. Now second digit is 1. We will multiply 1 in all these digits. 1 multiply 0 is 0. 1 2s are 2. 1 9s are 9. 1 4s are 4. Now for the third digit multiplication, we will put 2 cross here. And third digit is 2. So now we multiply 2 in all these 4 digits. Like 2 multiplied by 0, 0. 2 2s are 4. 2 9s are 18. 1 carry. 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9. Now we will add all the digits. 0 0. 6 plus 0 6. 7 plus 2 9. Now 4 plus 4 8. 8 and 9 17. 7 carry 1. 8 plus 1 9. 9 or plus 4 13. 13 plus 1 carry 14. Now carry 1. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. This is how to multiply 2 digit and how to multiply 3 digit. Like the same we can proceed as more. Like the same we can multiply 4 digits, 5 digits, up to whatever you want. Now my lovely students, I want to tell you some word problem on multiplication. जब भी आपको कम का दिया जाए और ज़्यादा का पूछा जाए तो हमेशा मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, समवन इज आस्किंग दैट वन कॉपी इज ऑफ 15 रुपीज, देन व्हाट इज द कॉस्ट ऑफ 2 कॉपीज? One is less and 2 is more. One copy cost is given and the person is asking 2 copies cost. It means कम का दिया है, ज़्यादा का पूछा है, तो इस कंडीशन में हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. Like this, I am giving you one example here. WP is word problem. Your word problem is this. If cost of one pen is ₹20, अगर एक पेन की कॉस्ट 20 रुपीज है, फाइंड द कॉस्ट ऑफ 15 सच पेन्स. तो ऐसे ही 15 पेन्स की कॉस्ट क्या होगी? देखिए स्टूडेंट्स, कम का दिया है और ज्यादा का पूछा है. जब भी कम का देखिए ज्यादा का पूछा जाए, वी विल ऑलवेज डू मल्टीप्लिकेशन. नाउ लर्न हाउ टू सॉल्व इट. व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट? कॉस्ट ऑफ वन पेन इज ₹20. So we will write this is the solution of this question. Now learn how you will solve next more question based on this problem. Your first statement is this: cost of one problem is rupees 20. So firstly write the first statement. Cost of one pen is rupees 20, and he is asking the cost of 15 such pen. It means cost of 15 such pen is equal to. You will see that 1 is less and 15 is more. In this question, I have tell you that you have to do multiplication. Then you will multiply 20 into 15. 20 into 15 is equal to 15 to the 30 and this 0 here. So 20 into 15 is equal to rupees 300. It means the cost of 15 such pen is equal to 300. जब भी आपको ऐसा दिया जाए कि कम का देके ज़्यादा का पूछा जाए तो हमेशा क्या करेंगे? मल्टीप्लाई. डोंट फॉरगेट इट. डिवीज़न में हम इसका जस्ट उल्टा पढ़ते हैं. डिवीज़न में हमेशा ज़्यादा दिया जाता है और कम का पूछा जाता है. डिवीज़न में हमेशा ज़्यादा का दिया जाता है और कम का पूछा जाता है. अगर मेरी एग्जाम्पल लें, पहले तो फर्स्टली यू विल लर्न दैट हाउ टू डू डिवीज़न. हाउ टू डू डिवीज़न. My dear students, you know that how to divide one digit. Now I'll tell you how to divide two digits, and the same you can proceed for more, that how to divide three digit, how to divide four digit. So I'm telling you here that how to divide two digit number. For example, I'm telling you we have to divide 15 in 3995. Okay, so we will start from first digit. Firstly, we will divide in 3. क्या 15 का डिवाइड 3 में चला जाएगा? No, because 3 is less. Because 3 is less. If first digit is less, then we will consider first two digits. Then we will consider 39. Then we will consider 39. Now count the table of 15. It should not be more than 39. It means 15 means 15. 15 to the 30. 15 3 45 is more than 39, so we will not consider 3 we will only consider 2 It means 15 2 30. 15 2 30. Now subtract 39 from 30. 30 from 39. 9 minus 0 9. 3 minus 0 nothing. Here is a cross. Now we will take carry of 9. Here is 99 again. Here is 99 again. We will repeat the same process. Now count the table of 15. It should not be more than 99. It means 15 6 90. 15 6 90. So we will put 6 here and 90 here. Again subtract 99 and 90. This is 9 minus 0 9 and 9 minus 9 cross. Now we will again take carry 5. This is 95 here. Now again count the table of 15. It should not be more than 95. Then again 15 6 90. 15 6 90. Again subtract 90 from 95. You got 5. Now there is no any digit to take carry. So this is your remainder. This is your remainder. Okay. Now just identify the term which is known as quotient, divisor, dividend, all that. So which is remaining digit at the last, this is known as remainder. डिवाइड करने के बाद लास्ट में जो डिजिट बचती है जिसमें दोबारा हम डिवाइजर का डिवाइड नहीं दे सकते, दैट इज नोन एज डिवाइजर, सॉरी रिमाइंडर. सो हियर 5 इज रिमाइंडर. जितनी बार हम डिवाइड देते हैं दैट इज नोन एज क्वोशिएंट, उसको क्वोशिएंट बोलते हैं. और जिसका डिवाइड देते हैं दैट इज नोन एज डिवाइजर. डिवाइजर जब भी ओवर आ जाता है उसका मतलब होता है देने वाला. डिवाइजर मीन्स डिवाइड देने वाला. एंड द ग्रेटर नंबर, this is the greatest number among all these number, and this greatest number in which we divide, जिसमें हम divide देते हैं, this is known as dividend. This is known as dividend. It means here 15 is divisor, 3995 is dividend, and 266 is quotient, and 5 is remainder. This is how to divide. कैसे divide करना है I have tell you. Now you can proceed like the same for 3 digits, for 4 digits, and for whatever digit you want. Now I am telling you division algorithm. Division algorithm you have also studied in your previous classes, but here I am taking for the revision. This is also in your syllabus. What is division algorithm? Division algorithm is this: dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Just learn it. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. It means, what is dividend here? We will verify this theorem for this example. We will verify this theorem for this example. Here dividend is 3995, so put it here. Divisor is 15 and quotient is 266 and the remainder is 5. Okay, we will solve this right hand side. If this right hand side comes equal to this left hand side, then we will say that our division is correct. It means we will put here dividend is this, divisor is this, quotient is this and remainder is this. By BODMAS rule, firstly we will multiply. So we multiply 15 into 266 and its multiplication is 3990. Then after that A comes, A for addition. Then after multiplication we will do addition. 3990 plus 5 is equal to 3995. It means LHS is equal to RHS. So we can say that our division is correct. You can also check your division by division algorithm. This was your division algorithm. If any problem, then ask me. Now I'm telling you one example, but one word problem on division. For example, if somebody is saying that this is a word problem, cost of 20 pencils is 160 rupees. Find the cost of one pencil. First statement is this: 20 pencil cost is 160 rupees and we have to find cost of one pencil. It means ज़्यादा का देके कम का पूछा है. जब भी ज़्यादा का देके कम का पूछा जाए, we will divide just opposite the multiplication. So in which cost of one pencil is equal to 20 divided by 160. 28 jam 160. It means cost of one pencil is equal to rupees 8. This is word problem based on division. I think there is no problem in division and multiplication. We will solve some more examples or some more problems based on our exercise. This was the introduction of chapter number 4. I think you understood it well. If any problem, then just ask me and grow. Thank you. Thank you, my lovely students.